Hi, my friends here. Today what I show is how to record HD video. You should first know what is HD video. To put it simply, HD, high definition, video officially refers to a video with a resolution of 1280 x 720, 720p, or 1920 x 1080, 1080p or 1080i. All formats are widescreen 16:9 and display between 24 and 60 frames per second. A HD video can save and show our video files in high quality. As you can see, HD video can improve our viewing experience. So, how to record video in HD? The tool we need is Joyoshare VidiKit. Run it on your computer and choose Screen Recorder. Make sure that you start with Record Video and Audio mode. Then disable microphone sound and adjust the volume of your system audio based on your needs. Click Select Area to manually draw a matchable recording region. Confirm other recording options such as cursor and click effects. Set a scheduled task as per actual need. Don't forget the most important step. Go to Format and choose HD video. There are many formats, select a desired one. VidiKit automatically outputs in high quality, and you can customize as you want. Now click on Start Recording button and play your target video. You can hit Cut button in the recording menu bar to cut your videos. Simply click Stop to save it. Edit the name and preview to check your HD video. That's easy. You can give it a try too. Thanks for watching.